My dog wanted fizzy soda and didn't know how to act.
He got used to it. Oh no.
Oh, Mommy! Ma, Toby's biting. Winston?
Excuse me, please, we're poor. Please, we have to buy you food. Please, thank you so much.
Archie, get off the table. Get off the table. Hey,
Okay.
oh, God damn it. Oh, my God. Get off of me.
Where am I supposed to go?
I came in like a rat. God, oh, we out.
Go hit it.
Wolfie? 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 Oh shit, I thought you were dead.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Something I have that I don't know why is that every time I brush my dog, I always keep his fur because for some reason it just feels bad to throw it out. Like, it's such a soft material, it literally feels like a cloud. And I guess sometimes it can make good accessories like hair, but yeah, I don't know what to do with it.
Hello. 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 Oh.
Oh, hey, baby girl. Hey, baby boo. Kruisde.
내가 놀아줄게. 놀아줄게.
You guys are weird.
There goes the crackhead that I see each morning.
Oh, yeah, you tell them all about it. Roar, 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 roar.
Pò chai. เอามีดมานี่ พอใจ เอามานี่ เอามานี่
Who's that? Say hi. She's not interested. Sorry, she's not interested.
Ozzy, do you want to go meet Santa? You want to go meet Santa? Oh, goodness. Let's go.
Shawty super cold, pull up in the snow, had to cover up cause she ain't know. Ho, ho, ho. Flying out to Paris, just to meet a pair.
Nagachen school bus. School bus.
Wait, those are locusts? I thought those were grasshoppers.
Oh hi guys, hello hi. I drank mom's coffee again and mom's coffee is very very strong and I feel like I can conquer the world and catch all the squirrels. White chocolate mocha is the shit and makes me feel very wonderful. I feel like I can be in 5 places at once and it's pretty much awesome. Now I know why mom drinks this shit every single morning. Well, I've got to go now before this shit wears off so I can go catch all the squirrels. Wish me luck.
Demi, you need to shoot the arrow. I really want it.